Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to stitch circular ruffles or cascading ruffles floor length gown for 10 to 11 years old. Hope you will like it. These are the fabrics I am using for the gown. Blue and pink color silk fabrics I am taking for the ruffles, each of 5 meters. These two color ruffles I'll use alternatively. Half meter organza fabric I am taking for the waist belt. 4 meters santoon fabrics I am taking for the panels and 3 meters cotton fabrics I am taking for the lining skirt. So let's start with the measurement details. First of all, I am showing you the cutting of ruffles. I am making total 28 ruffles for the dress. This is 5 meters silk fabric. I already separate half meters for bodice piece. Rest of 4 meters fabric I have folded it into 20 by 20 inches 14 square pieces. How to fold it I'll show you. Now, mark the midpoint on the fabric as 10 inches and make lines as shown. Then mark 5 inches points on the lines since I am taking ruffles width as 5 inches. And start making the circles as shown in the video. How long your ruffles will be in length, start measuring as shown in the video. Mine is almost 39 inches and after cutting it, it will be increase the length by 2 or 3 inches. So after cutting, ruffles will be almost 42 inches in length, but I need 36 inches of ruffles. So later I'll cut the excess length. Now cut the ruffles. I have marked the same ruffle measurements on 14 square pieces of blue fabric and cut the fabric as shown. Now I'll show you the body's measurements. Fold the fabric into 4. Body's length is 14 inches. shoulder width 6 inches, armhole depth 6.5 inches, neck width 3 inches, neck depth for front I am taking 5 inches. Chest is full round of chest, adding 3 inches of ease allowance and divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for the stitching margin. And waist is full round of waist, adding 2 inches of ease allowance and divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for the stitching margin. I am making shoulder straps for the neckline. So width of the strap 1.5 inch I am marking here. And join with armhole with slant line as shown. And cut the pattern with leaving half inch of stitching margin. This is the lining bodice pattern and cut the upper bodice pattern in the same way. Now I am showing you the lining skirt pattern. I am making an A-line pattern for the inner skirt. So fold the fabric into 4 and mark the waist measurements. And on the bottom, I have taken 22 to 23 inches and cut the lining skirt. Now I'll show you the panel cutting on paper. Fold the paper into half and mark the length of the panel. That is, I am taking 37 inches. Now mark the waist measurement. Calculation of waist is shown in the caption below. Bottom width of panel I am taking 7 inches. So half of 7 is 3.5 inches I am taking here. Join both the points with line. And cut the panel. I have cut 2 paper cutting of panels and placed these onto 4 layers of fabric and cut 28 panels by flipping the paper pattern every time. I have cut all the pattern pieces, bodice piece, lining skirt, panels and ruffles. For the shoulder strap of 1.5 inch, I have taken a piece of fabric that is 4 inches in width and the length of the strip is 12 inches. Fold the fabric strip to right side and make a stitch line. Then turn it to the right side. I also attach a lace on the straps. Now take your front bodice piece and mark the neck width as 3 inches on both sides of the middle line. And pin the strap as shown. Then take the lining bodice piece and pin it. Make sure the main bodice piece is facing right side upwards and the lining piece is wrong side facing upwards. Then make a stitch line and then turn the lining piece to the wrong side. I am done with the front bodice piece. Now take the back bodice piece. I'll attach a 8 inches zipper to back pattern. Draw the middle line on the pattern and cut a strip of fabric that is 3 inches in width and 10 inches in length, and stitch the strip on 3 sides. Pin the strip to the middle line and make a V kind of stitch line. Cut the middle of the V and turn the strip to the wrong side and press it. Pin the zipper and make a stitch line as shown in the video. Now mark the neck width and pin the straps and take a 1.5 inch of bias strip and conceal the raw edges as shown. I missed the waist belt clippings. How I did it, I'll explain you. For the waist belt, I have taken a piece of organza fabric that is 10 inches in width and length is whatever the waist measurements. Make 3 to 4 pleats downwards as shown. And for the back straps, I have taken 2 strips of 5 inches in width and 38 inches in length. Fold it to the right side and make a stitch line and turn it to the right side. And attached these to the front bodice piece. Then make a stitch line to the side of the bodice. Now rolled hem or picot the outer edges of ruffles by rolled hem foot as shown. Then sandwich the ruffles between the panels with using pink and blue color ruffles alternatively and stitch all the ruffles with panels and cut the excess of the ruffle. I have stitched the panel skirt with ruffles and also rolled hem the bottom of the skirt. Now take your cotton lining skirt piece. I have stitched it on one side. And mark a line on 14 inches down to the waistline. On this line, I'll pleat the can-can net. I have concealed the raw edges of can-can net with 1 inch ribbon. And make pleats on the lining skirt as shown. Then make a stitch line. Now attach the lining skirt to the panelled skirt. Now take your bodice piece and turn it to the wrong side. And pull the skirt through the neckline. And pin the skirt and bodice all through the waistline. Then make a stitch line and turn the bodice piece to the right side. I have completed my dress. Just attached a brooch on the waist. The dress came out really so flowy and pretty. Hope you all liked my video. Please like, comment and share my work. And also subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.